Building bridges. Importing heavy machinery parts for construction distribution in the USA. Today, we explore the process of importing construction heavy machinery parts and accessories for distribution into the USA, unraveling the regulatory requirements and considerations for ensuring smooth customs clearance. Infrastructure development. Construction heavy machinery parts and accessories are essential components in infrastructure development projects, facilitating the construction of roads, bridges, buildings, and other critical infrastructure. Regulatory landscape. Importing heavy machinery parts into the USA entails compliance with various regulations, including those set forth by the U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, and other relevant government agencies. Product classification. Proper classification of heavy machinery parts is essential for determining applicable duties, taxes, and regulatory requirements, ensuring accurate customs declaration and compliance. Documentation requirements. Importers must provide comprehensive documentation, including invoices, packing lists, product specifications, and certificates of origin, to facilitate customs clearance and demonstrate compliance with regulatory standards. Safety and environmental considerations. Heavy machinery parts may be subject to safety and environmental regulations, such as those related to emissions, noise levels, and hazardous materials, requiring compliance verification and documentation. Tariff exemptions and preferences. Importers may explore tariff exemptions or preferential trade agreements to reduce import costs and facilitate the entry of construction machinery parts for infrastructure development projects. Compliance verification. Importers should verify that their imported heavy machinery parts comply with all applicable regulations, standards, and certification requirements through thorough due diligence and documentation. Importer responsibility. Importers bear the responsibility for ensuring the accuracy and completeness of customs declarations, as well as the compliance of imported heavy machinery parts with all relevant regulations and standards. Collaboration with customs brokers. Engaging the services of experienced customs brokers can provide importers with valuable expertise and assistance in navigating the complexities of import regulations and customs procedures. Trade facilitation benefits. Compliance with import regulations and streamlined customs clearance processes contribute to trade facilitation, enabling timely access to heavy machinery parts for construction projects and infrastructure development. Industry collaboration. Collaboration between industry stakeholders, including manufacturers, distributors, contractors, and government agencies, is essential for addressing regulatory challenges and promoting safety, efficiency, and sustainability in the construction sector. Market access strategies. Importers should develop market access strategies that consider regulatory requirements, industry standards, and the unique characteristics of the construction machinery parts market to optimize import operations and market penetration. Risk management strategies. Importers should implement robust risk management strategies to identify, assess, and mitigate potential risks associated with importing heavy machinery parts, such as regulatory non-compliance or product quality issues. Compliance monitoring. Importers should establish procedures for ongoing compliance monitoring, including regular audits, product testing, and documentation reviews, to ensure continued adherence to import regulations and standards. Infrastructure investment. Importing heavy machinery parts for construction distribution supports infrastructure investment and development initiatives, fostering economic growth, job creation, and improved living standards in communities. Innovation and technology adoption. Innovation in heavy machinery parts design, manufacturing, and distribution can enhance productivity, efficiency, and safety in construction projects, driving technological advancement and industry competitiveness. In conclusion, navigating the import regulations for construction heavy machinery parts and accessories requires careful attention to compliance, documentation, and safety considerations to support infrastructure development and construction projects in the USA. We've explored the intricacies of importing heavy machinery parts for construction distribution, highlighting the importance of compliance, collaboration, and safety in facilitating smooth customs clearance processes. Final recommendations. Importers should stay informed about changes in import regulations, collaborate with industry partners, and prioritize compliance to successfully navigate the complexities of importing heavy machinery parts into the USA. Expert advice. Consulting with industry experts, customs brokers, and legal professionals can provide valuable guidance on navigating import regulations, addressing compliance challenges, and optimizing market access strategies. Practical tips. Importers should establish robust import compliance programs, leverage available resources and support services, and maintain open communication with regulatory authorities to ensure smooth and compliant import operations. Thank you for watching, and remember to support infrastructure development by facilitating the import of heavy machinery parts for construction distribution in the USA.